How to turn off hardware acceleration in Discord. Turning off hardware acceleration in Discord is quite easy and simple. Just follow all the steps one by one. First, open any browser and type in discord.com on the web address bar. On the official site of Discord, enter to log in or sign into your account. Now click on this user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On this left panel, scroll all the way down and under App Settings, select Advanced option. On this Advanced section, you will find the option for hardware acceleration. If the button is toggled on there and there is the green button, you need to simply toggle off the button by clicking on it, and then your hardware acceleration will be turned off. In this version, there is no hardware acceleration, but if you have any old version or maybe updated version, then there will be hardware acceleration on this advanced section, and you can easily modify the settings of hardware acceleration in Discord. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share, comment to your friends. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.